Hello dear student, welcome back to Jian College Online School. So our subjects today is about electric current and electrical energy. My name is Khalat Kamran. The subject is for grade 7, page 258. So, electric energy. What's the electric energy? Is the energy from electric charges. We have electric current. What's the electric current? Is the rate at which charges pass at given point. The higher current means the number of charges that pass a point is more in a second. So we're counting charges which passes during a second. Unit of electric current is ampere. Moving electric in wire make current and provide energy. So we have two types of current. AC, which is charges move in different direction, called AC. And we have DC. What's the DC? Charges move in one direction, called DC. So if the charge move in one direction, we call DC. But if it has a lot of direction to move, then we call AC. We have voltage. What's voltage? Is the potential difference between 2 points in a circuit. The unit that used for voltage is volt. We have resistance. What's the resistance? The opposition presented to the current by a material or device. So resistance it has a relation with the material first. For example, copper. If you have copper, then the resistance is going to be decreased. But if we have iron, so the resistance is increased. So the material affected the resistance. Also, the temperature. When the temperature is high, directly changes with the resistance. The resistance is going to be high too. When it's down, the resistance goes down too. But thickness and length. When the thickness, for example, we have a pipe. If the thickness of the pipe was more than a thickness of another pipe, the pipe that has more thickness, it gets less resistance, so it's reversible. When the thickness is more, the resistance is gonna be less. When the thickness is less, the resistance gonna be more. And with the length too. How much the length was longer or it was more, the resistance is gonna be less and less. So what's the units that we are using it for resistance? The units that we are using it for resistance is ohm. So this is the signal of the ohm, and it's the Greek letter. We have generating electrical energy. It's like a machine, okay? It's not a machine, but it looks like it. Which is called cell. What's the cell? It's electricity, a device that produces electric current by converting chemical or radiant energy into electrical energy. How many parts we have of the cell? We have a part that called electrolyte, which is a mixture of the chemical. Also, how many types we have of the cell? We have two types of cell. One is dry, the second one is wet. And this is the cell device, which we already talked about it. Our lecture today is finished. Thank you for listening. Stay safe. See you next time.